Hey guys, welcome back. So today I've got the C24-1 again out on the trail, but I've converted it into a C14. Put that a nice C14 flatbed on the back. It looks quite nice. And I've also put some soft MN96 wheels and tyres on there. So for those of you that don't know, the MN96 wheels are slightly smaller than the MN99, so we're going to get less rubbing. And yeah, the only things I did say bad about this truck, ready to run straight out the box, where the tyres were a bit hard and we had a small capacity battery. So we've got some nice soft tyres. We're going to take it on the same route that we brought the stock truck out on, see if these tyres improve the performance at all. And yes, I'm very impressed with this C24-1 out the box. It's a very nice, very capable little rig indeed. I'll be leaving the links in the description below. We've got 3 variants. We've got the ready to run with 1 battery, ready to run with 3 batteries, and the Kit Edition. So as always guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's hit the trail. I forgot to mention as well, for those of you who don't know much about the C24, we've got a fully proportional 3-wire servo in there, metal pinion and ring differential gears, and yes, the ready to run electronics are nice and smooth now. We're getting a nice slow control aspect out of these. Nice and controlled. Plenty of power as well. Got a 180 motor in there. Seen a Tom Lee video recently with his metal MN, with those tow hooks like to stick up. Got a bit of water on the trail today, had some downfall recently. So the ready to run tyres go straight up this hill, so I'm expecting these soft MN tyres to get me up here. Yes, plenty of grip there. I do love these little WPL trucks. They are perfect for the trail, cost effective. They're about $40. So I'm pulling to the left slightly. So we've got a trim dial on here on the proportional electronics. Dial that in a bit. There we go. So I'll be taking the same lines, like I said, as the stock truck, just to see if the performance has improved at all. So you've got a tricky line here. That's one for Gwent Gamer. He wants me to have a tricky line printed on t-shirts and mugs. So nice and slow and controlled. So you've got a tricky section here. You need to cross the rocky riverbed, and then we've got the steep incline on the other side, where, as you've seen in the stock truck video, the ready to run tyres did not put down any grip whatsoever. The MN99 struggled due to weight distribution, but my C14 with MN99 electronics got up there okay with the soft kit tyres with foams. Pick a different line here. Oh wow, so they're putting down some amazing grip. Those tyres, fair play. Oh, it was very wet and slippery today. awesome little truck, fair play. Barely touching the throttle here, just trying to keep some control down. Nice flex there. This 180 motor, it's got a very nice drag brake indeed. It holds pretty well, nice and slow and controlled on the descents. So what's really fun about these little trucks, they're inexpensive, and when you're out on the trail, everything's a challenge. You've got to pick your lines very carefully, and yeah, you get a great sense of achievement when you get through an area that you didn't think you could actually get through. But these trucks, every time I bring them out, they never fail to amaze. So here we are at my favourite tree line. For those that you watch the channel frequently, you know that we're coming to an end here. This is the last line I like to take. I think I've sussed it as well. I'm going to try and do this first attempt. Money shot flex there. Through she goes. Let's bring her back through. Really, I keep saying it, but I loving the slow control aspect of this little truck. And there we have it, the C24-1 converted into a C14-1, a world's first. So yeah guys, cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.